Dave DeCamp again with All Security. Today I want to talk about how we can help you save money with what we would call a spare set of locks for a multi-tenant building. Most tenants, they keep their keys and the owner has their keys, but all those keys, they don't communicate together. We would create what we call a master key system where the owner would have a key that would open the whole building. Each tenant opens their own door. But what happens when that tenant leaves on a Friday night? All Security, we're going to give you a spare set of locks. And what's going to happen on Friday night when that tenant leaves in apartment 1? The owner just goes up, they put in the new set of locks, their master key, and nobody else's keys in the building change, therefore saving you a bunch of money, allowing you to keep a current master key, and we just bring back the old locks, we rekey those to the next set, and you just keep repeating and repeating and repeating, saving you all those service calls that you've been paying or the stressful nights of trying to figure out where you're going to get your next set of locks. Dave DeCamp with All Security.